are you kids doing now?
We're having a contest, Mom.
What?
We're having a burp contest, Mom.
Well, knock it off. I do not allow burping in this house.
I love Mom.
But
The show must go on.
Bart, what did I say about burping? I said no burping. And when I say no burping, what do I mean? That's right, no burping. I know you won't disappoint me.
Watch this. The burp champion of the world.
Burp? Bart, are you burping again?
Maybe.
What is it with this burping? Why? What's the thrill?
it's fun.
It's crude. It's vulgar. It's impolite. And it's nauseating.
That's what I said. It's fun.
I'm still the burp champion of the world.
Bart, meet the new champ.
Watch this.
Oh, yeah?
How many times do I have to tell you kids? I absolutely forbid burping in this household.
How's it going, everybody? Oops, pardon my French.
Thanks, Dad.
Good one, Dad.